So we're going to do it again one more time. Okay, the bowls are very easy, and I'm going to send them to you again, like I did last time. So you have this bowl. Okay, so and you can write it down on your notebook. Maybe at the end of the class or after class you have time, you can write the bowl down, like ta the tat the, a the tat the. This is your repertoire. It's like Kathak repertoire. It's very important to have this, that this is what you learned. So this piece is actually called Amad. I want you to write that, so I'll send it to you in a message, don't worry, I'll send it to you, everything in a message, okay? Amad, ready? So everyone, center of the room, remember your positions, how you're ending, okay? Amad. Amad teen tal. Teen tal means in 16 count cycle we are doing. Ta the tat the, a the tat the, ta the tat the, tat the, tat tat. Now fast. Tat the, tat the, tat the. Okay, so you always hold for like few seconds, and then you bring your hand down. You can bring it down beautifully. You can bring it down like this, or you can bring it down like this also. Okay, so everyone bring the hand down. If you're here, just bring your hand down like this. If you're here, just bring your hand down like this. Back to starting position. Got it? Good. Now, you remember the piece I sent you by, because I wanted to do a little on the flute. I was going to do a little piece on Krishna, but the audio is not working very well, so I don't want to take more time in that. But so I'll just go on to that footwork piece, जो हमने recording में सीखा है already. Okay. So how does it go? Lift your skirt a little so you can also see your own footwork. You'll enjoy more. Ready? Ek with the right foot. Ek tadha. Okay? So ek tadha. Ek do tadha. Ek do teen tadha. Ek do teen char tadha. Okay? And now we do ek do teen char panch. Okay? So on panch we will extend our hand out. Panch on the left side. Panch, bring the hand back. Panch. This is the first one. Okay. Similarly, we'll do all three. Okay. So footwork, I'll clarify first, is that we are just taking the right foot. Ek tadha. Ek do tadha. We always come back with the left foot. Tadha is always coming from the left foot. So it's a bit of an exercise. It's a bit of an exercise. Okay. So watch out. It's like एक तधा, एक दो तधा, एक दो तीन तधा, एक दो तीन चार तधा, एक दो तीन चार पांच पांच पांच. Okay, nice. So then we move on. Same thing. Ek. We'll take questions at the end. Everybody's questions at the end. Let me do the whole thing once first. Then we'll take the questions. Okay. So again, the footwork is just moving your right foot. Ek tadha. Tadha is always left, right. It's coming back from the left. Okay. Then ek do is just with the same way at the feet. Ek do tadha, again with the left foot. You come back. Then ek do teen. Then again tadha. You come back from the left side. Ek do teen char tadha. Like again, and then ek do teen char. Panch, you're going to hold a pose. You're going to make a pose. Panch, that's the right hand. Panch, move it out of the way. And hold this, if you can also, coordinate, hold the skirt. Panch, look up. Okay, so first one is this. Panch, 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 panch. Okay, second one is ek tadha, ek do tadha, ek do teen tadha, ek do teen char. तधा एक दो तीन चार Panch, panch, panch. So now we're using the left hand is in place, and the right hand is going up, in, and down. And your eyes are always following your hands. Okay, everyone can do this one. Panch, panch, panch. And here also you can kind of extend out. Panch, panch, panch. Then the last one is, third one is ek, dadha, ek, do, dadha, ek, do, teen, dadha, ek, do, teen, char, dadha, ek, do, teen, char, panch, panch, panch. Okay, so it's like a little bit of a crisscross, panch. Reach out again. Remember the first one? We reached like this. Now this hand is on top. Okay, panch. I'll see you all very soon. I'm coming there to see you and then to correct you. Don't worry. Okay, panch, panch. Same thing. We flip and panch. Panch, panch, panch. One. Now take this hand up. Two. And this hand now left comes out. And this one, the other one is just panch. Okay, so. All right, I'm going to just see you together as a group, then I may just correct you one by one, because there's this is important. So here we go, let's start. Let's start from the, ek, tadha. So with your feet, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ek, tadha, ek, do, tadha, ek, do, teen, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, panch, 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 panch. Okay, good. We're getting all kinds of different poses. This is the last one you're all doing. So the first one was 1, 2, and we'll make it simple. Just make it flat. Okay, first one. Okay, we're not going to do above the head for everything. So just panch, panch, panch. Yeah. So you have to crisscross. The right hand crisscrosses over to the other side. Good. Now that one comes back. Like you're pulling it back. Now this other hand, which is holding your skirt, goes panch. Just open it, open it. Yeah, towards that same side. Panch. Panch, panch, panch. Good. Okay. First one we all got. Now next one. Again, ek. Let's get back to the feet with the right foot. Ek, tadha. Ek, do, tadha. Ek, do, teen, tadha. Ek, do, teen, char, tadha. Ek, do, teen, char. Panch, panch, panch. Good. This is in front of you. This is in front of you. Okay. Panch, panch, panch. It's coming in front of you. Okay, good. And last one, I'm going to see you again with your feet and raising, make the sound, raise your feet so that you can hear the sound. Okay. So that is ek, tadha, ek, do, tadha, ek, do, teen, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, panch, panch, panch. Good. Okay, let's get everybody's mic on so I can hear your feet. Okay, I'll just hear you. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ek, tadha, ek, do, tadha, ek, do, teen, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, panch, panch, panch. Ek, tadha, ek, do, tadha, ek, do, teen, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, panch, panch, panch. Right? This one is panch, panch, panch. Next, ek, tadha, ek, do, tadha, ek, do, teen, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, panch, panch, panch. Okay, this hand is called Nikas. It's it's Kathak Nikas. Okay, so we are doing the same thing, like from here, center, except we are extending out the sky. Okay, it's referred to as Nikas. Okay, so what we are doing is we are first crossing our hands and reaching to the other side, right? We're crossing our hands. Now we are bringing that hand back and kind of looking, and then now we're standing in this Nikas. So this is a very beautiful ending posture. Good. I see most of you are getting it. Okay, one more time together. We will do, this is basically a tihai. It's called a tihai for your notes. Tihai, which means footwork. It's a combination of footwork and some movements are also there, but primarily focus on the footwork. So when we focus on the footwork, we call that a tihai. Tihai means a pattern of 3. Okay, so ek tadha, ek do tadha, ek do teen tadha, ek do teen char tadha, ek do teen char panch panch panch, ek tadha, ek do tadha, ek do teen tadha, ek do teen char tadha, ek do teen char panch panch panch, ek tadha, ek do tadha, ek do teen tadha, ek do teen char tadha, ek do teen char panch panch panch. I want to basically share what you guys want to learn. So I had requests that you want to do choreography, that everybody's interested in doing some dance piece. And, so I want to bring you a really nice choreography, and we're going to be working towards that choreography. So let's do a little piece on, I have 2 options. Okay. I can do a song from Bajirao Mastani, which is, our favorite, I think, Diwani Mastani. Or I can also do Mohe Rang Do Lal. Mohe Rang Do Lal is a very, it's a very apt song actually with a lot of choreography in it. So just want to get some of your, you guys can send me a message after the class. Everyone just send a message that, ma'am, we want to do this one or this one. We want to do Mastani or Mohe Rang Do Lal. Okay. So we'll begin that next class because it'll take us at least 3 classes, starting with the 2 just to do all the basic music pieces and the fundamentals, and it'll take us 3 classes to complete that. I'm going to do one more type of turn with you, okay, which is going to end up being, very important for you as you're learning your dance piece. And this is called a meend, okay, meend. So it's around and over your head, okay. Always we take our bodies, and we kind of like, sometimes we just, we can become stiff also in the dance. So, this is a great practice also. So let's just combine the meend with a few turns, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we're going to do, okay? So hands in the center, everybody. Make like a pancake. Like you ever had pancake? Okay, so hand like this. Rotate around, okay? Rotate it around. Then bend down. Then circle around over your head. Then bring it around, back to the center. That's a meend. Again, pancake, like this, circle it around and over your head, and back to the center. Okay, just be sure that when you go over your head, you bring it around like this. Best way is to use a dupatta. Okay? What I was just showing you about the meend, okay, you can see it's very similar to this. Okay, if you bring the dupatta around, this is also, the way we show a sari, and then we can finally, bring the sari in front, in front like this, and then open the sari like this, right? So this all we can do, just through our dance. So this is, it comes around the head and you can cover your face and show the face. This is a tool that we use, to show this little this technique. Okay, so now putting your dupatta aside, now just coming back to ourselves, we are doing the meend, right? Except it's a lot more elaborated, because when you're just doing with your dance, you have to do everything. You can't leave out anything, you know. You can't leave out any smallest detail for, you know, somebody else to do, or something else to, you know, basically fall in place. So you have to have control over your hands, your eyes, your expression, your mudra. Okay, so this is all leading up to a choreography. This is all, you know, leading up to that for the next class. So like I showed you, everything starts from the center. We make this pattern, we go around, come around. Then when we finally come on this side, you make this mudra as if you're taking like the dupatta over your head, like this. Okay, and what you have to do is, now you have to take a step towards that side where you're looking. So you have to take a step with your left foot, cross the right foot. Now you have to open your ghungat. The ghungat is made with this mudra. It's almost like a scissor. Like you have two sides, you know, like two fingers, and the rest are like closed, you know. So it's like this. Has to be very delicate, very subtle, but everything has to be in place. Few things you have from today's class, because you know, we are already over the time, is we have added all the spins. Spins are, we have 5 types of spins. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each time your foot is moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then we have the 4 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 3. Then we have 2, and we have 1. We put them all together into a piece, which was, you know, so that we can dance, you know, we can do the whole thing without stopping. And that piece was 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 1. That was the piece that we just finished. Then we basically had the Amad. So you're going to all, you know, make sure to remember these concepts. Amad, A-M-A-D. Ta, the, tat, the, a, the, tat, the. The, ta, the, 3 slow spins, the, and 3 fast. Tat, the, tat, the, tat, the. Then we had our new tihai we did, which is with the footwork. You can lift your skirt so that you can also see the footwork and others can also see it. So, ek, tadha, ek, do, tadha, ek, do, teen, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, panch, panch, panch. That one, right? Ek, tadha, ek, do, tadha, ek, do, teen, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, panch, 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 ek, tadha, ek, do, tadha, ek, do, teen, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, tadha, ek, do, teen, char, panch, panch, panch. That's how we ended this. Okay? And last we did meend. We added the concept of meend with the dupatta. We showed that we can become the heroine of a story. You know, we can become the heroine of our story just by taking, you know, this kind of turn where we're doing like this. You know, we can combine it with a turn, and we can use the ghungat in so many ways to tell a story. So this is all leading up to the choreography. Glad you all could make it today. You know, the ones that came, I'm sure that, you know, you are going to learn a lot. You are really going to benefit. You're going to feel, you're going to gain the benefit of learning the steps properly. And practice all these things, practice in due time. You will definitely become dancers. ये सब आसान नहीं है. ये सब मिलना गुरुओं से, एंड मैंने आपको बताया था कि बहुत पेशेंस का काम है, बट आप सबने बहुत अच्छा किया. आई कैन सी द डेडिकेशन इन द वंस, यू नो, सो थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग.
मैडम, फॉर दैट एक तथा, ओके, एक तथा, एक दो, and ek is on the right foot, barabar, and ek or do is also on the right foot. Okay, and then dha is only on this left foot.
Dha always
Ek,
comes back to the right, and then you again have to pick up on the same foot.
On the
Dha
same
will
foot.
always come back, right? Because it'll always come back on the right. Then you again have to pick up for ek, you know, or for the next count, you have to pick up again the right. Yeah.
Okay, so
it's
for
like
4, so
yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is also on the same foot, right?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll be, you know,
Achha,
then
1, 2, 3, 4
tadha will
is
come back on the right. Yeah. Again on the right.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, that way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then last it is on this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I thought that you have to bang only 1 foot at a time.
No, because
No,
you
no,
know,
it is not.
as you know in our tatkar में क्या सिखाया था? tatkar में क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. तो हम उसी पैर से शुरू करते हैं, right? उसी पैर से like we come back, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to learn that dono sides se we can, you know, pick up from any side, you know. So this is like an exercise which kind of prepares you for that. And also with all the different movements in the sum, you know, which all the, you know, so you are, it's a coordination, you know, of the hands and feet.
Spinning is thoda difficult है ना, spinning में मुझे तो मेरा वापस ही चला जाता है.
Yes, definitely.
मैम जैसे मेरा राइट फुट पे फिनिश होता है तो मुझे तधा के लिए फिर लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट ऐसे करना है क्या?
राइट फुट पे फिनिश होता है तो आपको फिर से लेफ्ट से वापस तधा लेना है फ्रॉम लेफ्ट से.
राइट देन लेफ्ट
नहीं, तधा लेफ्ट से ही लेना है. Like you have to always start tadha from left.
This is my right foot. This is my left foot. 1, 2, 3. Tadha.
Tadha. That's it.
मतलब left से लिया, right.
Left.
Then
right.
left. Yeah, it's fine.
हाँ, tadha is just tadha. Just tadha. You're ending on the right. You don't have to go back to the left.
1, 2, 3. Tadha. Right.
But
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Then.
Again from the left.
Right?
No. Again from the left.
Again from the left.
Tadha. Yes.
Always I should finish on right.
Correct.
Okay.